Want professional-level photos and videos without breaking the bank? Good news, because we found the best affordable cameras packed with features to unleash your creativity. From mirrorless to DSLRs, these sensibly priced options deliver versatility and performance to ignite your vision. Join us as we explore the top budget-friendly cameras ready to help you shoot spectacular content. The Canon XA60 emerges as a compelling choice for cinematographers looking for a versatile yet budget-friendly camera. With its 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor, you can shoot crisp 4K video up to 25 frames per second and take advantage of advanced formats like MP4 and XFAVC for higher quality files. A 20x optical zoom means you have tons of framing flexibility, from wide landscape shots to tight portraits, and the 5-axis image stabilization helps smooth out any shakiness when you're shooting handheld. It's great in low light too, with infrared shooting capabilities, and the touchscreen interface makes changing settings a breeze. Dual SD slots give you plenty of storage. It has professional quality audio recording, and you can even live stream over USB-C. For the price, the XA60 really gives you pro-level video quality and features without costing a fortune. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional filmmaker, it's a great all-around camcorder. If you are a content creator, then you'll be thrilled to know about the Panasonic Lumix BG1. This compact and modular cinema camera is the perfect tool to help you redefine flexibility and efficiency in your work. This nifty box-style cinema camera packs a 10.2 megapixel 4/3 sensor to capture gorgeous 4K 60 video with dual native ISO for dynamic range that impresses in any lighting. Its compact and modular design lets you rig it up for any production, while 13 stops of dynamic range grab detail in highlights and shadows like a pro. Plus, the BG1 is a rockstar for multicam and remote setups with robust connectivity from HDMI to Ethernet. With advanced autofocus and anamorphic support, this little powerhouse tackles any cinematic application, whether it's drones, gimbals, live streaming, you name it. For incredible image quality without the headaches, the Lumix BG1 redefines efficient filmmaking. Next up, we have the Sony FX30, which is designed as a gateway for creators to dive into cinematic filmmaking without breaking the bank. This camera is designed with creators in mind, providing UHD 4K capabilities up to 120p and a 26.1 megapixel APS-C/BSI CMOS sensor for crisp and detailed footage. The compact design allows for flexibility in shooting conditions, giving you the freedom to capture your vision without being weighed down by equipment. With advanced color profiles like S-Cinetone, S-Log3, HLG, and 16-bit RAW output, you can achieve over 14 stops of dynamic range. With features like phase detection autofocus, face tracking, and eye autofocus, you can capture dynamic scenes effortlessly. Plus, the dual base ISO ensures optimal performance in any lighting conditions. At just $1,798, the Sony FX30 is an accessible yet professional option for filmmakers looking to push their creative boundaries. Meet the travel-ready creative's new best friend, the Sony A6600. This APS-C mirrorless camera packs advanced features into a compact, portable body. With a 24 megapixel sensor and vast ISO range up to 102,400, you can capture 4K footage and low-light performance worthy of a full-frame sensor. In-body 5-axis stabilization ensures blur-free images even when shooting handheld. Hybrid autofocus with 425 points means nails focus quickly and accurately. Real-time eye autofocus works magic for portraiture. Durable magnesium alloy design can withstand life on the road. At just $1,198, the A6600 combines pro-level performance and portability at a price that leaves room in your budget for those extra memory cards. For creators needing powerhouse image quality without the heavy load, your search ends here. The A6600 brings it all together in one perfectly portable package. Take the leap into cinema-quality video without emptying your bank account with the Blackmagic-Pocket cinema camera. This compact dynamo packs a powerful punch with its HDR sensor that delivers pristine 4K 60p footage. Dual native ISOs of 400 and 3200, expandable to 25600, means you can go from romantic candlelit scenes to sun-drenched exteriors without missing a beat. Don't let the portable size fool you. With 13 stops of dynamic range, raw capabilities, CFast 2.0 and UHS-2 card support, and pro connections via USB-C, it's a mini professional studio on the go. Best of all, DaVinci Resolve editing software is included free to bring your vision to life. Priced at just $12.95, the Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is your gateway into the world of cinematic masterpieces without breaking the bank. Small camera and huge potential. The XT4 is like a gem cam that surprises you with its features and specs. It inherits the best bits from its predecessor, the XT3, and adds a dash of magic. First off, it's got in-body stabilization, a whopping 6.5 stops of it. Say goodbye to shaky shots, even when you're caffeinated or caught in a gusty breeze. The vari-angle touchscreen is like having a flexible assistant, perfect for those creative angles or vlogging moments. And let's not forget its 4K video capabilities. Whether you're documenting your cat's acrobatics or shooting a mini indie film, the XT4's got your back. At around $1,700, it's a steal for what it offers. So, if you're on a budget but crave top-notch performance, the Fujifilm XT4 is your ticket to photographic adventures. Forget bulky DSLRs, the Canon EOS M50 brings DSLR-quality imaging to the mirrorless world in a compact, connected package. This affordable camera packs a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor for stunning 4K video and low-light performance up to ISO 25600. The dual-pixel autofocus system delivers buttery smooth focus across 143 points. Flip out the vari-angle touchscreen, tap your subject with eye detection AF, and fire away at 10 frames per second. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC make wireless workflow a breeze. Weighing just 15.7 ounces, the M50 delivers stunning photos and videos without weighing down your gear bag or budget at just $699. For creators seeking professional-level results in a pint-sized body, your search ends with the EOS M50. No more shaky home videos. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S transforms your footage into cinema-quality masterpieces. With an optimized 10-megapixel sensor and dual-native ISO peaking at 51200, this camera revels in low light, while 4K 60p recording captures every nuance. Its rugged build withstands harsh conditions from blizzards to deserts. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC provide instant connection and sharing. Autofocus keeps pace with unpredictable movements, so you never miss the action. At less than $1,800, the GH5S puts professional video capabilities right into your hands without straining your budget. From shadowy interviews to nighttime nature scenes, this camera empowers you to unlock your full creative potential and take your videos to the next level. Portable power meets pro performance. The Nikon D500 packs heavyweight features in a DX format body that's ready to hit the road. This DSLR speeds ahead with a 20-megapixel sensor and X-Speed 5 processing engine to deliver stunning 4K video and 10 frames per second continuous shooting. 153 cross-type AF points mean razor-sharp focus to capture split-second moments. Shoot in confidence with an exceptionally high ISO that excels in low light. The slimmed-down, weather-sealed body withstands the elements while providing the imaging capabilities of Nikon's top-tier cameras. Dual card slots give you room to spare for your latest masterpieces. For under $1,900, the D500 leaves bulky gear behind without compromising on image quality, speed, or performance. When portability is power, this DX Dynamo is ready to revolutionize your photography and fits seamlessly into your travel bag. As the final budget-friendly camera on our list, the Sony A6400 packs a professional punch you can take anywhere. This APS-C mirrorless camera delivers stunning 24-megapixel images and crisp 4K video with its Exmor sensor and Bion's X processor. Blazing fast 425-point hybrid AF locks focus on the most frenetic action, while real-time tracking ensures every epic moment is captured. Tilt the touchscreen for easy vlogging and selfies on the go. An ISO up to 32000 means dimly lit scenes are no match for the A6400. Weighing just 14.3 ounces, this camera is perfect for all-day shoots without weighing you down. For less than $900, the A6400 offers enthusiasts impressive quality and performance without breaking the bank. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This little camera is a photo and video powerhouse ready to unleash your creative potential. So, that's all about the budget cinema cameras. Do share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your takes. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.